Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a high-converting Shopify store. Many store owners aim for a conversion rate above 3.2%, which places them among the top 20% of stores. The average Shopify conversion rate is typically around 1.3%, so there's significant room for improvement. We'll explore key strategies to help you boost your store's performance and turn more visitors into loyal customers. Your product pages are crucial for converting visitors. Start by using high-quality images and videos that show your products from every angle, allowing customers to visualize them clearly. Craft compelling descriptions that highlight benefits, not just features, and address potential customer concerns. Don't forget to prominently display customer reviews and detailed specifications to build trust and inform purchasing decisions. Building trust is paramount for online sales. Reassure your customers with visible trust badges and security seals, indicating a safe shopping experience. Be transparent with clear return, refund, and shipping policies, easily accessible on your site. Providing live chat or a detailed FAQ section helps answer questions quickly. Additionally, strategically use urgency, like limited time offers or low stock alerts, to encourage immediate purchases. A smooth checkout process is vital to prevent abandoned carts. Simplify it by minimizing steps and form fields, and always offer a guest checkout option. Provide diverse payment methods, including popular digital wallets, for customer convenience. Ensure your checkout page is fully optimized for mobile devices and loads quickly. Finally, use a progress bar and visible trust signals throughout the checkout to reassure buyers and encourage completion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.